Hello dear students, in this video we are going to solve questions and answers of Joan of Arc, including warming up, margin questions and English workshop. So let's start with warming up. Your first question is, discuss in groups and pairs and make a list of weapons used in the old times and in the present time. So this is the list of weapons used in the past, that are stones, bows, arrows, spears, swords, tridents, catapults, axes, daggers and cutlasses, etc. And weapons used nowadays, that are the missiles, hand grenades, bombs, guns, tanks, rifles, nuclear weapons and etc. Nuclear weapons. Your second question is, imagine that you are the captain of your school kabaddi team. Your final match is against a very strong team. Your team members are sure that you will lose. How will you boost their morale, work in groups and prepare a short list of what can encourage the team? देखिए, आपको यहाँ पे कंसिडर करना है कि आप एक आपके स्कूल की जो कबड्डी की टीम है, आप उसके कैप्टन है और आपके अगेंस्ट जो अपोनेंट जो टीम है दैट इज़ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग टीम, तो आपको आपके टीम को एनकरेज करना है. सो दिस इज़ द लिस्ट. फर्स्ट वन इज़, आई विल एनकरेज माई टीम बाय चेयरिंग अप देम. Then next, I will tell them strong points of our team and weak points of opponent team. Third, I will remind them how the hard practice they have put in to win. Fourth, I will remind them some previous matches when there were not chances of winning but only because of the positive attitude and their strong efforts about how they convert defeat into victory. Fifth, I will remind them how they have practiced day and night. 6, I will tell that they should not think about the result. And last one, that is, they only have to concentrate on the game and to enjoy the match. See, it is given it is given here that you have to write down the list. Okay, it means you have to write down it here in point format. If अगर आपको दिया है that you have to write down in the paragraph format, then there is no need to repeat I will. Okay, so you can write down it directly. Next question, adding different prepositions to the same action verb, the meaning of the phrases thus form. For example, call out, announce, call at, visit, call for, summon, call up, make a telephonic call, and call off means cancel. See, some phrases are given here and the meanings of that phrases are also given here. What you have to do, guess the different in meanings of the underlined phrases. Some sentences are also given here, and in that sentences, in each and every sentence there are some phrases. So what you have to do, you have to find out the meaning of that phrase. Your first sentence is, he promised to look into the matter, and your answer is investigate. It means the टू लुक इनटू, यानी कि ये जो अंडरलाइन जो पार्ट है टू लुक इनटू, तो इसका मीनिंग है इन्वेस्टिगेट. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस, ही आस्क्ड मी टू लुक फॉर हिज लॉस्ट बुक, सो द आंसर इज सर्च. इट्स मीन्स द मीनिंग ऑफ टू लुक फॉर मीन्स द सर्च. आई शैल लुक फॉरवर्ड टू योर अराइवल. द मीनिंग ऑफ लुक फॉरवर्ड इज अवेट eagerly. An epidemic of cholera broke out in the village. The meaning of broke out is started suddenly. The thieves broke into the locked house. Broke into means entered legally. They broke up their friendship. Broke up means ended. You must carry out your duty faithfully. The meaning of out is complete. Carry out. Please carry on with your work. Meaning of carry on is continue. They carried off the trophy in the football matches. The meaning of carried off is the won. Carry forward the remaining balance to the next page. The meaning of carry forward is to transfer. Next question, read the extract from G.B. Shaw's play of Joan of Arc and fill in the tree diagram. Joan of Arc, the setting of the play, that is the period of the setting is 1429. Location is the Eastern France. Then scene of the given play, that is a room in a house at a military camp. Then characters are Joan, Squire Robert, Pollengy and Steward. Then main plot is how Joan persuaded Squire Robert to give her what she wants and permit her to go to meet the Dauphin. Your next question is, pick out from the extract of the play two lines that provided evidence for each of the following. See, some points are given here and you have to write down the sentences which will prove the confidence of the John, the courage of the John, optimism, determination and patriotism of the John. So these are the two lines which shows the courage of the John, that are the Dauphin will give me all I need to free Orleans. जैसे सेम सेंटेंस दिया वही लिखना है आपको. I will teach them all to fight for France. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ हर करेज. इन दो लाइन में से करेज दिखता है, दैट शी रियली डिजंट सीम टू बी अफ्रेड ऑफ एनीथिंग. द स्क्वायर्स ग्लेयर नाइदर फ्राइटन्स हर नॉर स्टॉप्स हर. Next point is that is her optimism. So these are the two lines which shows the optimism of the John. That first one is, if she can put some fight into him, she can put it into anybody. I don't think it can be very difficult if God is on your side. Then her determination. First one is, you said that you would not see me, but here I am, and I have agreed it all. You have only to give the order. Next one is her patriotism. So first line is, I will teach them all to fight for France. You and Polly, next line, you and Polly will live to see the day when there will not be a single English soldier on the soil of France. The next question, using the points, frame a character sketch of Joan of Arc in your own words. You and write it into your notebook. Suggest an attractive title for the same. See what you have to do, you have to sketch the character of the Joan of Arc. Joan का आपको character लिखना है, so I have written here. And the title भी आपको लिखना है, so title is given the heroine of France, Joan of Arc. See यहाँ पे by mistake Joan of Arc, Joan, जो title में Joan फिर से लिखा गया है, so last word वहाँ पे नहीं चाहिए था. Your title should be the heroine of France, Joan of Arc. And this is the summary. Sorry, this is the character. You can take the screenshot of it. Your next question is, from the extract find what the following are compared to and why so. देखिए यहाँ पे as easy as इसका comparison दिया है. As easy as chasing a cow out of the meadow. The comparison is made because John was a country girl and had probably chased many cows out of the meadows. Besides, cows are docile creatures and can be driven away very easily. Next, as mad as John, for John was planning to go to the Dauphin, who was frightened, and motivate him to fight for Orleans. Third, the Dauphin in Chinon is like a rat in a corner, just like a cornered rat gives up. He too had given up and refused to fight to save Orleans. The enemy soldiers will be driven away like sheep. This comparison is made because sheep, who are considered to be foolish animals, can be evaluated and manipulated easily. Next, Joan of Arc is a bit of a miracle because she was courageous, confident and determined enough to go to the Dauphin and motivate him to fight for Orleans when everybody else had given up. Next question is, say why. You have to write down the reason of these given sentences. Your first sentence, John wanted to meet Captain Square. Why? Because John wanted Captain Square to give her a horse and armor and some soldiers and send her to meet the Dauphin. That was the reason she wanted to meet him. Next one is, John did not ask for many soldiers from the Captain Square because John did not ask many soldiers from the captain because the Dauphin would give her all that she needed. Polanyi, Jack and Dick had offered to accompany John because Polanyi, Jack and Dick felt that there was something about John and that she was a bit of miracle. Her words had put fire into them. They also felt that it was their last chance of saving Orleans, hence they offered to accompany her. Next, French soldiers were always beaten in war, meaning because the French are always trying to save their lives and would run away from battlefield, hence they were always beaten in war. Last one is, Captain Robert Squire said, I wash my hands of it. Answer is, Captain Robert Squire was uncertain about allowing John to go to the Dauphin. He did not believe that John would successful in her mission. Even then, he could not withstand her withstand her determination and confidence. He also felt that this was the last chance of saving Orleans and that there was something special about John. However, he did not want to be held responsible for anything. Hence, he said, "I wash my hands of it." Next question. See, some phrases are given here. What you have to do, you have to write down the meanings of these phrases and you have to use that phrases in your own sentences. Your first phrase is that is cut in. Meaning of this is the interrupt, and your sentence is the teacher asked Rohan not to cut in when she was teaching. Next sentence, cut out. Meaning is reduce or stop something. Your sentence is planting along the road will cut the noise from vehicles. Next phrase, be held by. Meaning is before, and the sentence is the mayor wanted the elections to be held by the end of the month. Next phrase, be held up. Meaning delay, and your sentence is the marriage party was held up in the traffic jam. Then next phrase is run away. Your meaning is escape or go off, and the sentence is the kind king allowed the captured deer to run away. Then your next phrase is run for. Meaning is to compete in an election. Sentence is the film star wanted to run for the post of mayor. Next phrase, be known as, and the meaning is to be called as. Sentence is the new boss wanted to be known as a good and kind person. Next phrase, be known for. Meaning is to be famous for, and your sentence is Nagpur is known for its oranges. Last one, that is last but one, that is the go with, and meaning is suit each other, and sentence, don't you think these shoes go with this dress? And next phrase, that is the go after. Then meaning is pursue or follow. Your sentences, you will never be happy if go after money all the time. And last, that is the put fire into. Meaning is inspire or motivate. Sentence is the cheap guess words put fire into the young students. And next one is put fire out. Then meaning is extinguish, and the sentence is sing trouble brewing. The ministers advise his team to put the fire out before it spread everywhere. Now see what you have to do. Script is given here. Write a summary of that part of the script in 15 to 20 lines. Do it in your notebook. In indirect speech, you have to write down the summary. So I have written here the summary of the lesson. You can take the screenshot of it. In indirect form of the narration आपको यहाँ पे लिखना था. So I have given here. Next question is, make the following sentences affirmative without change of the meaning. See, some sentences are given here. What you have to do, you have to convert the sentence from negative to affirmative without changing the meaning. It means what you have to do, you have to use the synonyms. First sentence, I am not so sure now. Your answer is, I am rather unsure now. Sorry, not synonyms. You have to write down here antonyms. He will not be able to stop them. He will be unable to stop them. I don't remember. Your answer is, I forgot. Next sentence, I can do no more. Your answer is, I can do only this much. Next sentence, sir, do not anger her. Your answer is, sir, please refrain from angering her. And last sentence, that is, I shall not want many soldiers. Your answer is, I shall want only a few soldiers. Fill in the gaps in the table. See what you have to write down. Some words are given here. You have to write down the noun form, verb form, adjective and adverb form of the words. So first one is already given. Next one, that is the inspiration noun. Verb is the inspire and adjective is the inspirational. Noun is the safety, third one. Noun safety, adjective safe and adverb is safely. Then harm, verb and noun form is the same. Adjective is the harmful or harmless and adverb is the harmfully or harmlessly. Next word is noun is thought, verb think, adjective thoughtful or thoughtless, adverb thoughtfully or thoughtlessly. Noun is the brightness, verb is the brighten, adjective is bright and adverb is brightly. Then noun is the courage, verb is the encourage, adjective is the courageous and adverb is the courageously. Then last, that is the noun hast, verb hastain, adjective has, and adverb is hastily. These are the margin question. Your first question is, why had John wanted to meet Captain Square? Your answer is, John wanted Captain Square to give her a horse and armor and some soldiers and send her to meet the Dauphin. That was the reason she wanted to meet him. Next question, name the person who John needed to free Orleans. John needed the following persons to free Orleans, that is the Bertrand de Polanyi, Square Jog John got saved, Dick the Archer, and their servants John of Honcourt and Julian. Next question, was the Dauphin fit to be prince? And here the Dauphin was not. Answer is, the Dauphin was not fit to be the king, and here because he was frightened like a rat in a corner. He was not able to motivate his men or stop the English from taking Orleans. 4 is, what was the Square's opinion about miracles? So the Square's opinion of miracles was that though they were already alright, they did not happen in those days. What did Robert accuse Polanyi of? So the answer is, Robert accused Polanyi of being as mad as John. Next one is, what shows John is a person of immense faith? The answer is, John's statement, I don't think soldiering can be difficult if God is on your side, shows that she is a person of immense faith. Next question, why were the French soldiers always beaten? So already I have given the answer of this question before some time. This is the same answer. The French soldiers were always trying to save their lives and would run away from the battlefield, hence they were always beaten in the war. 8th question is, what dress did John want? John wanted a soldier's dress. And the next question, that is the last question, what made Robert finally agree to the plan? So the answer is, Robert thought that John might be able to motivate the Dauphin and the troops to fight. He also felt that she had the courage and determination to succeed. He felt that there was something about her, hence he finally agreed to the plan. So with this, we have completed all the questions and answers.